Hello everyone, welcome back to MATLAB programming course. This is Hossein Tutunchi, and today I'm going to show you how useful MATLAB programming is in calculating time-consuming problems and calculations. We all had a numerical analysis and just algebra courses that we were required to find the solution of system of equations. And it's not hard, but it's time-consuming, and it's not the best of the feelings. So let me tell you what's the story. Let me create a matrix. Let's call it A equals 1, 4, -3. And the other one is 6, 2, and 8. Okay, so I created a matrix like that. What I actually mean is this one. So the whole system of equation was like x plus 4y equals -3. Okay, so the first line I represented this way, and the second one was 6x plus 2y equals 8. So you were asked to solve the system of equation like that, and we can represent the system of equation in matrix format, which is called the augmented form, because the first 2 by 2 section of the matrix represents the variables and the coefficients of the variables, and the last two parts represent the values. So let me write the matrix A here again. Sometimes you were asked to find the values for x and y, so the equations are satisfied. There are different solutions for gaining the result, but today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ones, which is called the reduced row echelon form. And if you want to further investigate that, you can type doc RREF. RREF, and if you hit enter, you see that RREF, you can read the definition and what it does, but I'm not going through that just to complicate things. I'm not going through that because it just is going to make things more complicated here on the definition, but what I'm gonna do is to show you how useful the whole thing will be. So with that, I can type RREF and pass the matrix that we were working on into that function. And look what happens. If I do that, you see that the MATLAB just solves the equation for you. There is a 2 by 2 matrix here. If you imagine like a line separating these two, so the 2 by 2 is a diagonal matrix with 1 on the diagonal parts and some results. And the way that you can read it is x equals to 1.727 and y equals -1.1818. How easy it was. Just by typing one function, we were able to solve the equations. Let me show it to you by doing a 3 by 3 matrix. So I clear that and I put B equals 1, 3, -2, 5, 6. It should be 4 by 4. So 5, 6, 4. Excuse me, it should be 3 by 4. So this one and 1, -12, 8, and 2. That's it. So now I created a matrix, and the way that you can read it is 1x, 3y, minus 2z equals so on and so forth. Now I want to find the values of x, y, and z that makes the whole set of equations satisfied. The way that I can do it is RREF of matrix B. So if I do that, MATLAB easily calculates the result. Now you can find that z value is -2 and y value is this and x value is this. It's really, really fast and super easy to calculate the results using MATLAB. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.